Abort! 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 Alright, we've had to come and anchor at Welcome Be here. This is crazy. There's 4-foot waves out there. We are hammering them all the way here. We're not going any further yet. We'll wait and see if this wind calms down. The marine forecast sucks. Called for 10 knot winds diminishing to light this afternoon. Yeah, okay, whatever. Yeah. Abort, abort, abort. Too rough for diving. We've got to plow our way on over to the Cam River here. Getting pretty nasty out here for this boat.
Probably the final video of the Whalen up here on the hard. City Hall makes a decision apparently tomorrow. What they're gonna do with it. I wish it was mine.
Yeah, probably the last video of the James Whalen. They make the decision tomorrow. Pretty sad. Probably on a little bit for a while.